The level of immunity inside the community is now ready to face or cope with those measures that have been lifted.
Quebec continuing to progressively ease COVID restrictions across the province. As of March 12th, Quebecers who have been in contact at home with someone who tests positive for COVID-19 will no longer have to self-isolate. The province's interim public health director announcing the new isolation guidelines will go in effect on Saturday when most of the province's COVID-19 public health measures come to an end.
They do not need to stay at home. They can walk outside. They can do the things they had to do. They can work, as long as it is not in a place that it's really contagious for others. And please, they have to wear the mask every time they get out of home, and they have to be very careful with that and follow themselves to see if they are going to have any symptoms. Of course, when they have symptoms, please get isolated for real at home.
However, Quebecers who test positive are still encouraged to avoid outings in restaurants, bars, and any activity where they would have to remove a mask.
We also recommend that they avoid visiting their grandparents or people that are sick, suffering from cancer, for 10 days.
In more good news, proms are back for high school students. Public Health saying that since Quebec's teenagers are an extremely well-vaccinated group, no added measures will be needed.
It will be a normal prom for these young people.
As of Saturday, only mask wearing will be mandated, with a vaccine passport being dropped. Capacity in bars and restaurants will be restored at 100% that day. Public health officials saying they considered their measures prudent, but will continue to keep a close eye on the epidemiological situation.
It is contagious. It might be more contagious, of course, with the BA2 progression, BA2 progression, and we have to be very careful with that. And please do not think by that there's no more virus, and there's still risk of contagiosity, risk of getting hospitalized. So on a personal basis, you have to get your vaccination as soon as possible to get protected.
In Montreal, Felisha Adam, City News.